Okay, so now that we've unboxed all the elements of our MICROQ system, let's go through the basics of how we set the system up. The way to power the system while you're at your desk or in a laboratory is to use the power over Ethernet injector. So this has two connections. The first connection will be between the PoE and the MICROQ, and this is how we'll get our power. So now we can see that we have power to the system. The next thing we'll want to do to make our network to the PC that we'll use in a minute for data transfer is just to come into the PC with the second cable. In this case, the MICROQ is set up to be the IP address server, so we have a complete network here that can communicate. So now let's go ahead and turn on. Part of keeping the MICROQ small means that we have to be very creative with giving you information about the state. So let's turn it on and we'll start to see the different status from the lights. So we've powered it up. Now we can start to see the LED on the left here, which is going to blink blue while we go through the boot process. So this will take a little bit of time, and then we should see it flash over to two green LEDs. Okay, so now we've got the first green LED, so we're getting closer. Okay, great. So now the system is finished booting.